I'm going to show you how to set up your Dazzle with your headset. You're going to take your Dazzle and plug in the yellow cord of your Xbox cord into the yellow one. And then take your headset cords, look like this, and put them into the white and the red. Just like that. And then you're going to take the red and white and put them in after. And you hook up the USB and plug it into your computer. And you plug in your end, obviously, into your Xbox. But I want to tell you a little bit about this. I don't know if yours is the same as mine, but there's a switch on it. And it says TV, and it says HD TV. Now, when you're recording, you will have to have it set to TV. It unfortunately will not be able to play on your screen in HD format when you are recording, but it is the only way I have found that you can actually record and watch at the same time. But when you are not recording, you just switch it to HD TV, and then you are able to at least play in HD definition when you are not recording. And before you actually use the program, you need to make sure you install all your CDs that come with your Dazzle. And then you take your red, your blue, and your green, and you put them into your HD TV. Which is easy enough. And that is how you set up your Dazzle without any splitters with your Turtle Beach headset.